Hey everyone, this is Jared from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is the Ric Flair of crypto coming to you live from Vietnam. We got the alien in the house, and look who's making an appearance. Looks like we got the green dino, and you know what that means? You absolutely know what that means. It looks like that we're going to be having a green day, guys. So you should be really excited. I'm excited in the house, guys, and it's going to be a huge time to be alive, guys. So it's done, guys. It's done. We're going to talk about what I'm talking about. What are you talking about, OG? What do you mean it's done? Done like a donut, guys. So remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So guys, let's jump into the content. Let's get ready to go down to crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house. Let's get it, guys. And if you love that, and if you love the alien, and you love the Dino, go down there, smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes like never before, and show some love in the house. And don't forget, super chats always are welcome, guys. So let's do it, guys. Let's absolutely do it. Let's get it. So it's a great time to be alive. So you love it, I love it, and do go back and watch all of my other videos, guys. Go back and watch all the other videos. Yay, guys, go do it. And my last video that came out was It's Coming, guys. So this is really talking about Biden, crypto regulation, and why I think that crypto regulation is good. So guys, go back, get it. You know you want it. I want it. You want it. Let's get it, guys. And let's take a look at the pre-markets in the house. So finally, guys, we're seeing a little bit of green right now at time of recording, but this could change. This absolutely could change in the house because we're seeing that the NASDAQ future has just gone down. So that is creating a little bit of havoc in the house, guys. So hopefully that we don't see the S&P and the Dow futures go down, down. So you guys know that the big news is that it looks like Biden and Putin absolutely have agreed to sit down, talk it out, hash it out, and hopefully that things will get settled between Ukraine and Russia right now, because we definitely don't want those people out there slinging the snowballs at each other and creating kind of a global tension, guys. Because a lot of people are on edge, and that's why we saw Bitcoin go down. That's why we saw all the broader markets going down, because people are actually on edge right now. So that is what's going on, guys, and that is the meat of it. We've got the crypto regulations that are going to come out soon. I think this is a good thing, not a bad thing. You know what I'm talking about. And right now we're seeing that if we take a look at the total market cap right now in the house, we're seeing the total market cap is up about 2.4%. So that is pretty good in the house. So I'm pretty happy about that. Let me just take a look at this again. Let me give this a minty refresh in the house, guys. And so we're seeing the market cap is 1.80 trillion. The volumes are still pretty light, guys and gals. So it's still President's Day in America. So that's why we're seeing all the volumes are light, and that's because the U.S. markets are kind of like kind of sleepy out there. So the European, Asian markets are normal. So we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is still up, guys. It was below 41. It's come up again. So overall, we're seeing that the crypto markets right now, we're seeing it's a kind of a mixed message. Let me give this a minty refresh. It's refreshed right in front of us. Yeah. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up 3%. So that is good. We're seeing BNB is up. We're seeing ADA is up. Good. That's pretty good. We're seeing Solana is up over 5%. Luna is up. Doge is up. So we're seeing overall, most of the altcoins right now, most of cryptos are showing some positive sign of life in the house. So that is cool news in the house. You love it, I love it. Let's get it, guys. And some other stuff is coming in. If you look at the fear and greed, yesterday we were at extreme fear right now, and we were at 27 yesterday. So, but I think that by tomorrow we should see that the market sentiment has reversed a little bit, and we should start seeing things go uppity up. So this has been good for Doge. This has been good for Shiba. This has been stuff that's been really cool and really great in the house, guys. So that is cool beans. And if you take a look at the heat map in the house right now, the heat map is looking pretty good as well. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 1.57%. We're seeing Ethereum is pretty good. So overall, we're seeing a lot of green in the house, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. I'm loving it. You loving it. So some stuff that's coming in. The top 10 mentioned coins right now. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, Digibuy. Help me, save me. Because whenever I hear the Digibuy, I get scared, guys. Solana, Wax, Terra, USD, BNB, and Telos in the house. So this is what people are talking about on. This is exactly what people are talking about. I don't see Dogecoin or Shiba Inu in there in the top. in the top 10. So that's kind of interesting. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting more and more of Doge or Shiba Inu to be in there. So at least have one meme going in there. We're seeing that right now coming in. South Koreans crypto investors will soon be able to invest through the country's largest bank, KB Bank, and they have announced plans that they're going to launch a crypto ETF and futures fund. So that is pretty bullish for the crypto markets in now. So hopefully, this is bullish. We're still seeing a lot of bullish news despite all this geopolitical stuff that's pushing things down, down. So guys, don't panic. I think we're going to see pretty much a reversal. And this is from El Salvador's president. Berkeley will create a Bitcoin haven for freedom, guys. So Berkeley in the house. I love this guy. He's going head to head with IMF, and he just told the IMF to get out of town. Basically he says, okay, boomers, you have zero jurisdiction on our sovereign and independent nation. We are not your colony. Your backyard is your backyard or your front yard. Stay out of our internal affairs. Don't try to control something you don't control. Yeah, Berkeley, the Boogaloo in house, and he's just going nuts in house. I love it. So basically, he's sending 52 legal reforms to Congress to remove red tape, to reduce bureaucracy, create tax incentives and citizenship for investors, and new securities law, stability, and contracts. So this is pretty cool beans. Looks like that, if you're going to be an investor in El Salvador, you can get citizenship. So I love that. You love that. Let's get it, guys. So, Bukelele, I love this guy. He is cutting edge. He is forward thinking. He's the man of the hour, guys. He's Mr. Revolution. And I love this guy, and I love it how he told the IMF to go stick it in your ear, stop, getting involved in our internal affairs. I love it, and we could be seeing that widespread adoption for Bitcoin as legal tender could be happening in South America, guys. So that is pretty cool beans. So it looks like we had this ancient, like the dinosaur, Ethereum wallet awakens. So we had this Ethereum wallet that has awakened. They're holding about $5 million worth of Ethereum right now, and this wallet goes back all the way to 2015, and that is kind of weird because at that time he invested like $2,336, and he's up like $221,000 percent increase, 221,000% increase. Wow. Whoa! So that's worth like $5 million right now. So a lot of people are saying that. Some people are saying that this Ethereum wallet has awoken because he's going to dump his wallet, sell, get out of town. But others have speculated that this Ethereum, the second largest blockchain, was launched in 2015. Yada yada yada. So what they're saying is that they believe that this Ethereum wallet is more likely some wallet that he lost his private keys, he forgot his password, and it's just been reactivated. So hopefully, like it says here, it's not clear whether someone has had such a high level of conviction or simply discovered a dusty old wallet. It's possible that the owner finally managed to unlock his or her ether after losing access to crypto fortune. So I think it's probably that somebody found this dusty old wallet or they finally figured out what the private keys are. I don't think it's going to be some kind of suddenly this Ethereum whale wakes up and suddenly they're going to be dumping like $5 million worth of Ethereum on the market. And if they did dump $5 million of Ethereum on the market, it wouldn't have that much of impact on price, guys, because you can see if you look at the leverage apes in the house, you can see the leverage apes in the house. We got $133.78 million wrecked in the house, $46 million worth of Ethereum that's been wrecked, and that $5 million entering into the market, it's not going to make a big deal, guys. We're also seeing that Shiba Inu right now is also being leverage traded as well, and there's about $1.46 million worth of Shiba Weebies have been wrecked. We're not seeing the Doge in here. I don't see the Doge here, so that is pretty good. And we're seeing that most of the wreckage is to the long. So the leverage apes in the house have been wrecked, and we're seeing once again the leverage longs are getting actually annihilated out there. So leverage traders, stop it, guys. You guys never learn. I have no sympathy for you. So Bukulele, we love the Bukulele, the ukulele, we love it. So crypto whale wallet is awakening. Let's see how that will have zero impact on the markets, guys. So Ethereum whale buys 47 billion in Shiba Inu tokens while holding on to 160 million worth of SHIB. So we've got a huge Ethereum whale just bought $47 billion of Shiba Inu. So that's a positive sign. That's actually a positive sign. and that was worth about $1.275 million in the house. So, guys and gals, if crypto is done like a donut, why are people still aping in? Why are people still buying? I still think that, there's a lot of gas in the tank, and we're going to see that in the springtime, in the summertime, we're going to see that crypto is going to go uppity up, up. You'll see it, guys. The Dinos believes it. The alien believes it. We all believe it. Guys, get on the money train. Get on the money train. Remember, it's not financial advice, guys. Show some love in the house. Don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Subscribe, and comment. Hey, super chats. Support the channel with super chat. We need the support, right? We need the support because all of it goes to charity, guys. Go back and watch our other videos, and we do have the video that shows where everything goes. Go and watch this video. Doge, much wow. Doge, only doing good. And guys, if you love the Doge, Doge is love and love is Doge, guys. Go there and retweet that. Get it while you can, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So we're seeing that Intel unveils second generation Bonanza mine chip for efficient Bitcoin mining. So it looks like they are releasing this Intel's new chips are powered by high-performance miner to deliver 40 terahashes in a balanced environment. So they're using less energy than the Bitmain Antminers, but definitely less efficient, guys. Because the Bitmain Antminers are huge, guys. I mean, these things are rocketing at 120 terahashes in the house, guys. So that's pretty cool. But it looks like Intel's getting into it, guys. So this is the Bonanza cut right in the house mine system. And it's running at 40 terahash at 3,600 watts, guys. So, I mean, in terms of consumption of power, it's not that great. The Antminers are actually more efficient out there. Ching. And not shilling for Bitmain or Antminers, but, I used to do mining back in the day. That's how I kind of got into Bitcoin and crypto. And I know that Antminers right now are much more efficient, guys. So just do your research. If you want to get into Bitcoin mining, remember, it's fun, guys. It's actually fun out there, and you're going to love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. So Dogecoin is still basically where it was earlier today, and it's trading at 1384, guys. And it's still looking pretty bullish. We're still above the apex of this triangle. And, I'm seeing that we could see a 27% increase and get ourselves above 16 cents. We're seeing right now a lot of catalysts happening for Dogecoin. Elon Musk is behind it. Elon Musk is supporting us. And things are looking pretty positive for Dogecoin. We're still seeing that, on Twitter right now, there's a ton of tweets out there. And we are Dogecoin is actually trending. So we're seeing that right now we're seeing that 50% of Dogecoin holders are in the money. Booyah, get it. We love it. And we're seeing that the concentration right now and correlation is about 0.81 in the house, guys. So that's what's happening, and it's mainly bearish right now, but the whole markets are still pretty tipsy-turvy and pretty bearish in the house, guys. So we just need all of this this Ukrainian stuff to kind of wash itself out, guys. So we can see that income sharks are saying that price bouncing at the daily super trend support, pretty good chance this holds and we could continue to go up. So we did see that the $36,000 level is a huge support level for Bitcoin. So we're seeing, the 38,300 level is a huge support level for Bitcoin, and we have broken above that. So that is pretty good. Matthew Hay was talking about that. I talked about in my previous video. So that is a good sign. That is a bullish sign, and it looks like we're going to be going uppity up, and we should start to retest the $40,000 soon. And once we get past the $40,000, then we should start retesting the $45,000, because $45,000 is really the line in the sand, the ink in the sand that we need to get ourselves past. So we're still inside absolutely inside my horizontal support line, and right now we're at $38,655 in-house, and we're a lot better off than where we were last week. Last week, we had a low last week of 38,000, and we had a high of 44,750. So this week we're coming in at 38,678. So we're printing a higher low compared to where we were last week. So that is good, guys. You should be pretty excited about that. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get it. And we're seeing that, as I said earlier, Biden is agreeing to a summit, and that is pretty good. So hopefully that will reduce some tensions, and there's going to be some kind of parlay between both of them, and hopefully there'll be some concessions. I mean, maybe some of that territory the Ukraine may give up, that kind of stuff. Who knows what's going to happen with that? We'll have to see how that washes out, guys. So also this is from Plan B, and he's still seeing very little signs of noteworthy spot capitulation. And what that means is that the spot traders are still holding like never before, guys, holding strong like crazy. And that's just what I've been talking about. the Bitcoin supply on exchanges is the lowest it's ever been, and we're seeing that 90% of all the Bitcoin has been mined, guys. So things are looking pretty good. I still think that springtime we're going to absolutely go to the moon, guys. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. You know it, I know it. Let's get it, guys. And let's take a look at Bitcoin right now on the daily. We had this McDonald's Debbie Downer pattern, and as I said, we're reversing to the upside exactly as I call it, exactly as I predicted. And I think that we could see ourselves getting up to $45,000 soon. It just depends if we get any more geopolitical nonsense going on. We're seeing things that also on the daily, we're well above my channel line, so our parallel channel is still holding. We're back up at 38,679. I think if the markets go positive, we could absolutely be seeing Bitcoin going up to 40,000. So that is pretty good in the house, guys. Let's jump into Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby right now is looking pretty good. It's at 2646. Looking much better than where we were this morning. This is on the 4-hour chart in case you're wondering. And it looks like we could start to break out of this descending triangle. And it looks like we're going up exactly as I predicted. So our next stop is about 30. So I think we could get there. Absolutely we could get there. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is at 2690 and it's exactly on our support level right now. So we really need Ethereum to giddy up some more and bounce off this M pattern, which is a Debbie Downer pattern in the house, and we need to get ourselves going uppity up, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. Looks like Phantom in the house is also broken down again from our support line at 177, and it's now trading at 174. I mean, I'm not too worried overall long term. In the short term, micro trend, yeah, it's looking like poo-poo schmata out there. But I think overall, once Bitcoin giddies up, things are going to be looking better and better overall. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana as well has broken down from our channel line. Earlier today, it was above that. It was, we saw a high today of $96 in the house, a low of $92.84, and we're just above our low today. And hopefully, we can start hitting that resistance again and get past there. So as long as we don't go down to this line, we need to stay above 80. If we break down below 80, then we're not looking good in the house, guys and gals. So for Ethereum too, if Ethereum breaks down between 2,200, we're also not. It's going to be a bad news bears for Ethereum. So let's take a look at the market cap again, and the market cap has gone down a little bit. It's at 1.79 trillion, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin has gone down a little bit now from when I just mentioned. But look at the 30-day overall, we're still uppity up. So that's pretty good, guys. So we're not done like a donut yet, guys and gals. Do go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 44,060 followers. Get it. Go down there, smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to check out my NFT collection, guys. Go do it right now. You can find the link below, all the links below. Buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, guys. Check out the merch, guys. You know you want it. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the cup, get the pillow, willa. You want it, I want it. And guys and gals, please do me a favor. Go smash the subscribe button on the Wi-Fi Wise channel. Let's get it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So things are looking much better. Things are looking more and more positive. So hopefully this trend will continue and we'll see more green. So the alien wants to say thank you. The Dino wants to say thank you. The Debbie Downer bear is still waiting, but I told him to get out of here because we don't want to see the Debbie Downer bear. We want to see green. So I think it's going to be a green day. So God bless each and everyone. Spread some love. Have a happy President's Day, Monday, day off out there. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo!